everyone, welcome to your PDA and this is Shubha. So first of all, it's a big news for all of us that HPCL has released its notification. Now that's a surprise for us also because just the elections got over and we are thrilled that we got a notification out also. इतनी जल्दी notification expected नहीं थी. Last year अभी होके हटे थे इनके paper was there and many of the students were feeling कि इस साल HPCL की notification नहीं आएगी. But see the surprise and it's a good news. And I would say that it's a fourth run continuity when HPCL is taking out the exam. So obviously you have to prepare it in a good manner. Second thing is that it's a good news, I would not say only the good news but it is the best news for mechanical and electrical engineers particularly because जो last year जितनी seats release हुई थी उससे double और thrice आपकी seats हैं तो obviously आपकी preparation बहुत strong होनी चाहिए. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the strategy. I've brought a short analysis also of the previous year papers. So last year papers हुए थे of the three branches. I'm going to elaborate it out कि कहाँ से किस portion से कितना कितना आपको आया था. What are the key components in that portion and how the strategy we are planning for the future preparation of English in HPCL. It is coming for 17 marks and I must say 17 marks is not very small score. It's a big score and every single score do matter in your examination. So start your preparation with me and I assure you by preparing together, by practicing tons of questions, we can crack it out and we can expect 17 out of 17 which is very much possible. It's not going to be a nightmare for you. So not wasting much of the time, let me show you the glimpse which I have brought. Now see, jumbled sentence is a favorite portion. Jumbled sentences इसको rearrangement of sentences भी बोलते हैं, right? So let's see, average 2 marks का 3 marks का 2 to 3 marks का ये आता है. इस बार हर पेपर में 2 marks का ये था. Next is fill in the blanks, also called as sentence completion. It is coming with the big run. Sentence completion has been a favorite. It is like of HPCL, I would say 4 marks, 5 marks, that is an approximation. So 4 marks, 5 marks, 3 marks, 7 marks. That has been this ratio. So I have given it an average of 4 marks. Reading comprehension, RCs is a big question. RC के practice करने के hacks, what are the strategies to do it, what is the portion, क्या identify करना होता है सबसे पहले, I'll help you out in that. So RC is going to come off average 5 marks and then you have vocabulary which I have further divided in one word substitution, synonyms, antonyms, idioms and phrases. So collectively that has carrying an average of 6 marks. So totally 17 marks का इस तरह से average breakup मैंने आपको बताया है. नेक्स्ट इट इज अबाउट अगर मैं 3 पार्टीज में 3 वर्टिकल्स में जाती हूँ जो लास्ट ईयर पेपर हुआ था सिविल का, इलेक्ट्रिकल का, मैकेनिकल का, उसमें क्वेश्चंस की डिवीजन कैसी थी. दिस इज अ चार्ट विच इट गोज ऑन. टॉपिक्स सबके सेम थे, टॉपिक्स वाज ऑलमोस्ट सेम, देयर वाज नथिंग डिफरेंस, ओनली वन डिफरेंस वाज देयर. यहाँ पे सिनोनिम एंटोनिम बोथ था. अदर पेपर्स ओनली सिनोनिम वाज देयर ऑफ 2 मार्क्स, किसी में बाकियों में इसमें एक सिनोनिम था, एक एंटोनिम था. सो दैट वाज द ओनली डिफरेंस. रेस्ट द टॉपिक्स वर सेम, ओनली डिफरेंस वाज इन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मार्क्स. सो इवन यू कैन हैव अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ इट कि क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस आप फील करते हो. आई वुड से इट आउट, 1 वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन 3 मार्क्स के हैं इस पेपर में, बाकियों में 2 मार्क्स के थे. Jumbled sentences 2 average which I already gave you 2 marks. Sentence completion fill in the blanks 4 5, एक में 2 था क्योंकि उसमें RC 7 marks का आ गया था, बाकियों में RC 4 और 7 का था. Idiom and phrases 2 and average. Synonyms 2 1 क्योंकि इसमें antonym आ गया था. So see, this was the portion which is a complete portion to be practiced or these were the key topics to be prepared. One word, idioms, synonyms. I have already categorized in vocabulary portion which requires a continuous practice. एक दिन में ये चीज़ें नहीं आती हैं. The sooner we start the preparation every day we have to sure कि कुछ part of vocabulary हम करते रहे. Then it is all about the strategy. I have already told you. एक आधा topics हम extra मान के चलेंगे. We will keep our preparation, keep our backup plan if that topic comes up. इस बार स्पॉटिंग एरर नहीं आया, लास्ट टाइम आया था. आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड एनालिसिस वीडियो ऑफ माय प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स जो पिछले से पिछले साल के थे. ऑलरेडी वीडियोज आर देयर, यू कैन हैव अ कंपैरेटिव नोट. ऑलमोस्ट द डाटा इज सिमिलर, दैट्स नॉट मच डिफरेंट. कुछ साइजेस में आई वुड से स्पॉटिंग एरर पिछली बारी था तो 1 मार्क का था, 2 मार्क्स का था. एक हम ये स्ट्रैटेजी जरूर करेंगे. वोकैबलरी हम क्वेश्चंस के साथ, क्विज के साथ, मॉक सीरीज के साथ. तो वोकैबलरी है जितना बोल के प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, जितना क्वेश्चंस के थ्रू प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, दैट इज अ मीडियम यू हैव टू गो थ्रू. Jumbled sentences This requires trick. You have to identify first the noun or the pronoun, then the verb, then the object. So that is also coming on a practice mode, continuously practicing some questions and checking out the hacks, like which things to identify first and which at the last. Then is obviously we will be posting our live classes and the test series. I'm going to solve all the 3 papers with you one by one in the next week only. So stay tuned in the live class of mine where I'll be solving the papers. And here I would say that HPCL provides wonderful work culture. The pay scale is really impressive and it's a Maharatna, and you are going to get a golden opportunity to work over here. So don't miss a chance, don't leave this golden opportunity. Prepare to the best, and we are going to prepare English ka kuch percent. It's 15-20% of the you can say the data is already free, so that will be posted on YouTube. You can have an access of that also by you have to attend the live classes. I will be discussing some words, some areas, some important questions with you. Only thing you have to do is you have to be attentive, be regular, and just keep your eyes and ears open so that you can have full access to whatever I am saying you, and I assure you that by together preparation and by practice we can crack this examination. So all the best, keep preparing, and this was a strategy video. Do let me know if you have any problem in any particular portion. We will do that also in our live classes. So take care, have a good day, and all the best.